In this study, we used commercial cans from 10 different commercial sources as our sources of Aquafaba. After blending for 2 minutes, the foam was placed in plastic cups and observed over time. As you can see, the foam is collapsing in all of the cups. Only 2 samples, D and H, produced a stable foam that lasted throughout the entire experiment. All of the other foams collapsed over time. At 0 hours, all cups were full of foam. After 1 hour, separation of liquid was evident in all samples except sample H. After 14 hours, some of the liquid had separated from sample H. We further wanted to characterize Aquafaba from canned peas. We looked at gross characteristics, mass balance, including looking at the content of chickpea seeds, juice volume, juice density, and juice viscosity. The correlations among these properties were also investigated. Unsurprisingly, there was a strong negative correlation between chickpea fresh weight and juice volume. There was a strong positive correlation between chickpea fresh weight and Aquafaba viscosity.